purchases myself. So I had to prop up the back side of the tent to get some ventilation because the stove is still curing. I can't, it's not recommended to cook on it unless you've had the fire raging for more than half an hour. But it just started to get hot enough that I can smell it curing. So I'm going to let it go at this temperature for half an hour. But it got a little fumy in here, so I had to do some air gap for the airflow. But anyhow, look at, I get to be on the floor with Nadie, and Pepper's in the chair. That was hard to haul over. And Bailey's in my other chair. It's quite small. I call it like a duffel bag size, but quite light. I have an injury, so it's easy for me to carry, and it, you know, that's what I needed, is something light. One of the other reviews I saw said to cut the wood small and have it stacked and ready. Yeah, you want to do that because if you're not, it burns through the stuff fast at first. And then when you're trying to put other logs in and you got to split wood at the same time, it's just like, it kind of, I don't know, makes the process a little more difficult. So if you want it easier, split your wood ahead of time, have a little stack. I packed mine in there, and so there's like a whole little log this size burning in there, and like smack down to little bits, and it's still got quite a bit in there. I'm going to chop up the next one soon, but like it'll take a whole log of that size, but you have to split it to get it in. But I really like it. It's putting off decent heat. Me and the dogs are just hanging out, and I just have it a good distance right now from the tarp. I don't have any of the stuff I need to put it through a tent or out a building right now. You see little smoke bits coming out the top, or it appears that way, and I'm pretty sure this seals are tight and there isn't smoke. It's just because it's raining, it's spitting and steaming. So so far so good. I really like it. There, I made that one log into this little stack, and now I'm going to start feeding it in. Get the bark out of here first, and the little bits. And then once that gets cranked again, I can put in these two bigger ones. Nice. See, that's perfect. What an ingenious idea. And it just moves the little screen so nicely. If you want more air, crank it up. So far the glass is holding up quite nicely. Some reviews say it broke. Mine has not, and I'm keeping it roaring. Little cooking tray, which is nice to have. I'm going to just move it for a second. And then this, if you want to cook with a pot, I assume, you put it directly on there, and then you've got fire, flame perfectly underneath. But if you're just warming things up, I mean, you could even put a frying pan on there. There. But if you're just warming things up, this rack is good too. Or once you've cooked it and want to keep it warm. I wanted to warm up a fish fillet on it the other day, but I didn't get a chance, so. And of course the flue works really, really good. The chimney is appropriately high. You know, like it's a good height. Really good. So. Finally had the fire roaring for long enough that the fumes have completely dissipated. I'd say it's about 45 minutes at a solid burn. And why not? It tests out the glass right away. It's been roaring in there for a while. It's really nice. I guess I better go get my mug if I'm going to make tea, because it's going to be boiling here soon. Of course I have an audience, but right now I'm warming up some breadsticks, and I just have a container of soup by the side. It is not that hot there. I'm just setting it there.